Alrighty, competition is well on its way. Got some hardwood guy here, another hardwood guy right over there. Ended up only being 2 hardwood competitors show up. Got 4 carpet competitors show up, so about like goat milk, not too bad. Not too bad at all.
I'm gonna let you get back at it.
This guy right here is good. He's super good at his hardwood stuff. And this here is my box. Z-bar in the doorway. And we got a poster of this box here. Not too bad.
My heels.
Oh yeah.
Right here's what we got to do. 3 different colors of carpet. That is going to be that. Alrighty, everybody is about to wind down. He's fixing to call cleanup, so that's my piece right there. I've been working on that right there. I got this one seamed up. What I did, I'll show you my head seam. So, with what time we had today, I got this piece right here seamed up, got my head seam made and it all measured and ready to go for this side here. This piece I'm sitting on is going to be this piece here, and I've not done anything with these 3 pieces yet right here, so have a full day tomorrow rather than a half a day. And that'll be it. We'll see how far we get. Hopefully I can get all this wrapped up and complete. It wasn't too bad, really. I was really happy not to see any circles or anything like that. But there's my other seam. It turned out pretty good, I guess. So I'm not too concerned about that. The man right over there in the corner, Mr. Roy, done some hand sewing on his step-up thing right here, so he's going to show everybody out. He's competing, and he's a certifier and master too, so he definitely knows what's going on. I don't know, we'll see. I ain't even been around. I've been steadily working on my side. I'm the only one that don't have the box done anything with that at all. Everybody else has got their box done. Here it goes. Quitting time. Quitting time.
Let's go ahead and start cleaning up your area. Stop at your work. Let's get everything cleaned up. Kind of set your stuff in your module. Pick up any trash around your module.
I'm okay. How you feeling? Feeling better than you did last time? Yeah, good. Good. I feel okay about everything so far.
Going a little slower, Dave.
You're not live, are you, Ruben?
No, I'm not live.
Because I do want to talk to you guys after you clean up
Okay.
about just that.
All right.
As long as you get good transfer, you don't. I mean,
All righty. Here's another one. Got his already. And here's some wood flooring going on. Got his floor all marked out, ready to roll. This guy right over here, he got started installing some wood. Looks like he's got stay blocks. Pretty smart on the edges right there, holding everything in place for tonight. All right, I got to get off here and get everything cleaned up. This place is freaking massive. I mean, huge. Look at this. I think this, oh no it ain't. I don't know how many rooms they got like this right here in this hotel. Tons of them. This place is crazy. This place is crazy. Super nice woodwork there. Got some super nice carpet installs too going on there.
All right, you done here, Ruben?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I told any of these guys.
Hey, Dwayne. So, did any of the carpet competitors take any tools with them or not?
Yes.
Yeah,
We
he's-
all got a kicker, a tape measure, something,
Knee pad.
Knife.
knee pad.
And knife.
Yeah.
Knee pads and knife.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So we are all done with the competition and sitting down having dinner with this pretty lady. Say hi. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going down to see the scores at 6 o'clock. We got just a few minutes. They're going to announce the winner of the competition. I'll go ahead and say right off the bat, I will probably, they score it too, so that's kind of cool. Just let you know about it, where you rank at, and I feel like I will probably get the lowest score of all. I just don't feel like I will.
Honestly, he is not feeling good about what he did.
Yeah, I just feel I didn't feel good about anything today. I was super rushed. I fell behind, and I got rushed about everything. So, anyway, no excuses.
His heart was there, though.
I just. Anyway, let's go see just how bad I lost. I'm gonna try to get all this on video. That way you can see the scores and hear the scores and stuff like that. I got less than 20% battery. My battery's already in the red though, so
We're gonna charge it real quick.
I don't know if I will have enough battery to do it all, so we'll see. We're gonna plug it up right quick. Got a fast charger, ain't that what it is? Yeah. So we got a few minutes before it charges, so we're gonna go upstairs and get it plugged in.
David, I'm from Florida. Right here.
Lives next door.
That's how much David speaks in front of the public.
Roy Lewis from Phoenix City, Alabama.
Truman Clark from Manchester, Tennessee.
Chris Gallo, I live in Fargo, North Dakota.
Zach Stacy, Wichita, Kansas.
Yes.
So, and all of you, you probably need to give them 3 or 4 different applauses because, we had a guy that got cold feet that didn't make it in for the wood. Actually, 2 of them. And it takes a lot. I can tell you, and any of you that have competed in these things, I think I'm going to do it. I want to do it. And it gets down to it, and you start losing, sight of, or maybe it's your confidence on whether you're going to be able to pull it off or win. I mean, it's tough. It really messes with your head. So sometimes, guys get cold feet and they don't make it. So I always want to take the guys that did make it, the guys that came up here and sweat for the last 2 days, and I can never tell them how much we appreciate you guys competing, appreciate you guys coming in here, and to me, by all means, you're all winners by far. All right? Taking first place this year in the regional in Orlando, Florida. Come on up, Mr. Dave Beagle. What I'd like to do, and John or maybe Frida's in the room. For those of you that are going to be at CFI convention, I don't think Dave was. I think he might be coming now, but some of the guys competing weren't going to be at CFI. Shame on them, but so obviously we needed to announce these winners. Plus, I'd hate for them to sit and sweat and not lose sleep, wondering if they won. But I'd like to take pictures of the modules and put them on a thing so that we could actually flash them up so that they can actually see the work that these guys did. Because if you didn't make it down there to see it, it was actually just some beautiful, beautiful artistic work. All right, moving on the carpet category. I was telling somebody earlier, in the carpet category, I knew coming into this, it was going to be really stiff because I kind of was a little bit aware of the 4 guys coming into this. And looking at the 4 of them, I was like, oof. Given any different day, that could be a different outcome. Just like 2 really good football teams. One day one's going to win, the next week the other one might win. And I will tell you, I was telling somebody earlier, I said, I think it was Jonathan, I said, I would not be surprised if this is where the wild card comes from. Because the scoring was that close, okay, with the top 2 guys. So all I'm going to be able to announce to you is number 1. And the guy that was able to just edge above and take number 1 in that spot is our very own Mr. Roy Lewis. Come on up.
Still wearing his pouch.
Well, I was wrong about telling the scores and so forth like that. So I don't know really who got closer or anything like that. So I am thinking about have to see the dates and see how everything works out. We're thinking about taking the grandkids somewhere around that date. So we'll have to see how it works. But I may be signing up to compete in Missouri. I think St. Louis, Missouri. So maybe I can still take first somewhere and get on out to Vegas. We'll see what happens. Anyway, no promises, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. Until next time, FBSB's out.